even know if y'all can see me, but we're gonna start this vlog. Hi you guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a beauty vlog. This is gonna be fun. We're gonna do something very hygienic. You know, I did my makeup and I did my hair and all that stuff, but we're gonna talk about dental hygiene today. And I used to be an avid coffee drinker, so there's some staining. And I do keep up with my dentist appointments, but lucky for me, I have this really cool thing I'm about to try with y'all for the first time. I literally have not opened it, so let's get into it. So this is the Aura Glow Complete LED Whitening Kit. So I'm gonna read it to you guys. So it's everything you need from dentist caliber whitening gel to LED light technology that accelerates whitening to find your smile's version of a perfect smile in just 30 minutes a day. So it uses LED lights and a special whitening gel. You put it on your mouth 30 minutes every day, whitens your teeth. We're gonna use it for a week, so like I have to see how I want to do this vlog. I think that we're gonna film this part this week and then film the rest next week, and then like by the time y'all see this, like, hi, I'm from the past. So I think that's how we're gonna do this. So let's get started. So this is the Aura Glow system. These are the instructions. That's a little charge in case you put it in as soon as you get it. You take it out, you put the gel in, you stick it in your mouth for 30 minutes, turn on the light, make sure it turns blue, and then you can have a dance party for 30 minutes. You brush your teeth a little bit and then you get like some warm water and you just kind of rinse it a little bit. And then you can get like a Kleenex or a tissue or something and wipe it out. My mouth feels so minty fresh, and I did brush my teeth before this again. I didn't actually show it. Now I'm going to show y'all the end results and give y'all my final thoughts on this product. Okay, so this is the after. And I must say, if I do say so myself, I love this product. I love it because it's funny, before they reached out to me, I was just preparing to invest in like some really good white strips, and I do have a dentist and I was going to look into like all sorts of professional teeth whitening things. This is very similar to that, and I love that you can do it as much or as little as you want to. I still have a ways to go, so I'll probably update y'all again later on. Okay, so it is like a week later, and you can see like before I did it, I had like some discoloration and some little weird things going on with my teeth. But what I love about it is that it smells good, it tastes good, and it was like really gave me an opportunity to like whiten my teeth and like meditate and relax at the same time. It's funny because in the instruction manual it even says that like take 30 minutes to yourself. But definitely check out my Instagram for updates about this product, how you can buy it. Check out the description below. I highly recommend if you are on a self-healing journey and you want to take care of your outer as much as your inner. Oral hygiene is so important for your health, and this one is more about the beautification of it, but it also prompts you to like every time you use it, you brush your teeth and after, so it really is promoting oral health and hygiene as well. Definitely recommend it. Very easy to use, amazing product. If you want more information about it, check out the description below. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this awesome little beauty self-care vlog today. I love you guys so much, and as always, make sure you subscribe. Talk to you later.